It's no secret that the best place to start when it comes to creating a business or side hustle is with an idea. That's where even YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all companies in the world start. And to keep things simple, in this video, we're going to be covering some of the top winning products that will make millions. A lot of these have already made a lot of money. And we're also just going to have a discussion on how you can actually build a brand around these potential products. So let's not waste any time and get right into it. Now, the product research method that I'm going to be using here to get ideas for a potential business is just TikTok. So TikTok is kind of the one-stop shop nowadays for building your business. TikTok is one of the best opportunities right now, not only in terms of paid media, but also in terms of competitor research and just overall marketing potential. So as you can see, if you just go on TikTok and type TikTok made me buy it, we'll literally find people that are reviewing products that they've bought because of TikTok advertisements. And there's even pages like this, like people will literally make pages just to show products that they're buying. So it's a nice mutually beneficial relationship for businesses and creators on TikTok because they can make money showcasing these products and brands can make money sending products or showcasing products. Now, just as a quick plug here, if you do want to learn more about e-commerce and join a community where we do live streams, drop exclusive case studies, and just overall an environment where we're trying to help each other succeed, then check out NetSphere in the description. It's our community, and when you actually sign up for a subscription, you get our e-commerce course for free. So I'm trying to make this really affordable for you guys so that we can really grow the community and help a ton of people out and hopefully help the world through that. So check that out in the description. I would love to see you join. So first things first, let's look at some products here. So I'm going to try to go with products that are more recent because that way we know that people are shopping for that now, or at least those products are in demand right now. So right here, for example, we got one that looks pretty cool. So let's check it out. TikTok made me buy it. It's just like a protein blender. Super simple ad. I mean, I will say, guys, if you have the capabilities of creating content like this, let's say you have a girlfriend, a wife, a sister, a friend that can help you create content like this where it's extremely simple, but you know, they're showing your products off, that will really help you a lot with actual content creation for your products. And really, a lot of business success nowadays, besides actually having a good product, is your ads and like how much you're marketing and creating content. So every brand really is kind of like a media brand. That's something I've been realizing lately. And the reason why I think this one's going viral is because they did something pretty clever here. So not only is it a cool product, but they have peas in there, like the vegetable, which is kind of gross, but also kind of funny. And the fact that she drank it also makes it a little grosser, but also kind of funny. So it's something that people will comment on. And here's how you're actually going to be able to build a brand around it. So you're going to go on Alibaba.com and simply browse for some blender types of products. So as you can see, there is a ton of different ones. And a lot of people are scared of Alibaba for some reason. But the thing about this is that this is the best place to actually start building a brand instead of AliExpress because they have ready to ship products. So yes, it may take a little bit longer to test some products. And yes, you may have to order like a few units and maybe pay like $40 in shipping at the most to get it to you fast. But the benefits outweigh the cons. You'll not only have your product on hand so you can see how it works and showcase it, but you can start building like a pre-sale list basically of people that are going to be interested in your product. I've been making more content about this in the NetSphere course because this is how I build basically all of my brands in the last year. And it's been amazing for our returning customer rates, our feedback rates, and just overall how passionate of a community we're building. But here, for example, is a really amazing product. It's a very similar premise and you can copy the weird stuff that they're putting in there, but this one just looks so much better. I mean, this one looks amazing. The design is so good. And I mean, I would even buy something like this. So that's a really good sign. So I just wanted to show you real quick how you could actually build a brand around a product from the beginning. But of course, if you want to go on AliExpress and start a dropshipping store, you could definitely do that. Dropshipping definitely gets a bad rep sometimes, but I do think it's a great way to start a business for a complete beginner. You learn some valuable skills and you can potentially make some money remotely and start a business, which is super cool. So I definitely want to motivate more of you to start your business or side hustle. That's a big purpose of this channel. And actually, we finally got a Shopify affiliate link. So if you want to start your Shopify store today, click the link below and start your free trial. But now let's finally continue browsing some products. I just had to share with you what I've learned because I know some of you actually don't want to start dropshipping businesses and you just want to start a proper e-commerce brand. So I think both ways are valuable to know, like how to start a dropshipping dropshipping store, but also how to start just a brand. So if we continue here, we can see, so this one is pretty good. It's got almost 1 million views. I actually can't play the sound, unfortunately. It's copyrighted, but let's just watch it here. Okay, she dropped it. So by the way, we're also learning some really good strategies for creating funny ads here. Like just having these random mistakes are pretty funny. But let's see what this product does. Whoa. That's interesting, but it's like a little bit useless. I mean, it's really easy to crack an egg, but as you can see, people in the comment here are like, me, that's so unnecessary. Also me, I want it. So, you know, products like these, even though they may be a little useless, they still spark controversy, and because of that, people really vibe with it. So this one is really cool. Things TikTok made me buy to step it up in 2022. That's, by the way, just a really good headline right there. The water bottle with time marks to help me stay hydrated. I really like that product. I feel like I need that. Okay, that was pretty solid. This one has almost 100 million views. What? Whoa. This product is crazy, actually. Wow. That's unbelievable. I can see why it has so many views. This is a good product. And as you can see, the people commenting here, they're like, this isn't an ad for mops, it's an ad for birth control. Nothing pisses me off more than kids. Jeez, people are so mad. But you get the point. That's actually a really solid product right there, especially because it's in the home improvement niche. Now let's see this one. TikTok made me buy it. It's a tumbler. So, oh, a water bottle. Just a nice water bottle. Water bottles are actually a pretty good product, honestly. People do not drink enough water. If you give them an aesthetic water bottle, they may be more inclined to drink some more water. So I mean, this video has 1.4 million views in like the last month, so that definitely says something about these water bottles. Okay, so this one's kind of funny. TikTok made me produce it. It's very thick, so this is kind of a good idea. Thin edges, no trace design. I mean, obviously this isn't really something I would like to sell, but that doesn't mean it's something that wouldn't sell really, really well. I mean, people are definitely into these types of things, and yeah, so it's a decent product. Let's see this one. It's got almost 1 million views, and it's just a bread basket. Interesting. TikTok made me buy it.
On TikTok, and so I went to go buy it right now at Best Buy, and it's actually really cool. Instead of buying a whole new router for your house, you can just buy a Wi-Fi extender, and it extends your Wi-Fi, and it's actually really cool. You should buy it.
That's a good idea, actually. Wi-Fi extenders and these types of tech products are actually a pretty good idea of products to sell. I mean, of course, you're not going to be able to sell Netgear unless you get like licensing rights, but you could find products like this on Alibaba that you could test yourself, and if they work well, then you'll have a big competitive advantage because not a lot of people are going to be testing those products. You know what I mean?
Don't get me wrong, being an adult and living on your own is pretty great. The only problem is that I now have access to adult money, which means I can buy whatever I want.
Whoa,
which means
that's a
I end
good
up buying
idea.
shit like this and having zero regrets about it.
Dang, that's actually a really good product. I would buy that because having a big vacuum can be really inconvenient, and just like a nice little broom that can also vacuum would be perfect. This is sweet. I hope it's not patented. It's right here. Oh my gosh, these are actually really good products right here. All of these are, especially if they work really well. So I've never seen this product before. This one seems honestly kind of untapped, and this one's probably one of the best ones that we've seen so far. This solves a massive problem. Like I said, it's just really annoying to have a vacuum, and vacuums are pretty expensive. This one's kind of similar to that one product that we saw with the kid. Definitely a good one. Definitely getting some orders, which is kind of cool. And this one I've seen a lot lately too that looks awesome. But let's continue.
To clean inside.
Oh yeah, this looks really cool. Having this would remind me of like a restaurant.
Powerful to clean
By the way,
inside.
this page right here just literally posts products like this all the time. Like honestly, they're just posting this one product and getting thousands of views. So I guess that works, even if it's super simple like that. But this is why I mentioned in the beginning how you can actually build a brand around these products, because think about how many people are going to be doing this. Having a competitive advantage is just going to give you a lot of longevity for your business, and it kind of makes all the competition more irrelevant. So if you are willing to take the risk of ordering inventory and stuff, then definitely consider it, and don't just scrap that idea altogether. Now, let's check
TikTok
this
made
one
me
out.
buy it.
TikTok made me buy it. It's just toothpaste. Wait, what? What is she doing? It's just jars, I guess, that you can use toothpaste for, or mouthwash. I guess it's not a bad idea. I mean, you never know what people are gonna be buying, and this is why it's important to test different things out. Let's check this one out. So it's an AirPod kind of case. Oh, it's for your nails. So it's a nail trimmer or a nail filer that you can USB charge. That's pretty cool, actually. This has almost 2 million views, so people are definitely looking for a product like that, which is kind of crazy. I always am surprised by the type of stuff people buy, but clearly there's demand for some of these goofy products. This one's pretty cool. It's just like a really big moon lamp. The things people say on TikTok are so funny. And as you can see, people asking for the link and stuff. So this is why this method is so good, is because you see what people are wanting to buy in real time. So then all you have to do is build a brand around a product and start selling it. And of course, it's not likely that you're going to create like a, $100 million business out of a TikTok idea like this, but you never know. I mean, if you start building the skills, maybe your success will compound and you will make it to that. So that's about it for this one. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that you get some good ideas or just some motivation at least. Make sure you check out the links in the description and watch the next video that's going to pop up here. If you watched till now, you'll probably like that one too. But that's about it. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Peace.